Hi to all, my name is Dark, and in today's video we have Tineco. So this is floor 1 S5 and we have a problem. So the problem is when you try to work with it, and it's go to error and the water is down. As you can see, we can hear the rotor of the brush, motor of the brush, but we don't hear the suction. So the problem is with the suction motor, and we're gonna open it. So to open it, if we take this piece out, we see that the motor is here, and we're gonna do by opening this. So we're gonna turn it off.
Power off.
So you simply turn it a little bit and just take that. You take this cable out and the connector, you just push it and pull it out. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna need 2 hands, and I'm gonna really unscrew these 2 bolts. So when you've done that, you just simply take these pliers and lift a little bit up and down till you remove this cover. And when you do that, you simply take this out, and we're gonna move these 2 bolts. So one is here and one is over here. So let's take these 2 bolts out. So here is the batteries. So we're gonna take these 2 screws out, and then we're gonna try to pull the battery out and see if the motor is down and if we can get to it. So when you took the wires from negative and positive, you take this connector out and this, and here you have 2 bolts more. One is here and one is here. So you take these 2 out, and then you just pull the battery out. So this is the battery. These are 2 bolts that goes there, and we have a problem because we cannot see the motor, so we have to take all this apart. So the motor we have here, so I put everything together, and I didn't put the LCD. So here we have 2 bolts. One is here, one is here. Then we have 2 more bolts here and over there, and then I don't know, maybe this piece will go out. I don't know. Let's try. So then you remove these 2 bolts, these 2 bolts, and these 2 bolts, and then we are missing 2 more bolts because now, as you can see, we are almost done, but something down is just holding, so I have to check what is it. So then you have to unscrew these 4 bolts, 2 here and 2 from the other side, and the other side, these 2 bolts you can only do by that. And then when you take this out, you just pull it out. You have 2 screws. One is here and one is over there. And then we can take the motor out. Yes. And you have to take the board out because so you can lift the motor and the battery out. Yeah, and you have to take this piece, this is down here, so you can access bolts more here. But this is not the end, so now you cannot, here's the motor, you cannot take the motor out because you need to take this out with the battery, and you have to watch for the wires and then you have to take the motor out and check what's the problem. So let's go. And then you have to remove the wires from the batteries. So these two wires and these three, and then you have the motor out, and now we're gonna check what's the problem. So let's open this. This is you just simply push it and take out the LED. So let's try that. So here's our star, the motor. As you can see, it's all rusty. And see here the bolts, they are all rusted, so maybe we have to change the motor, but we're gonna try to. Yeah, it won't spin. Maybe it's just the corrosion, but maybe we have faulty motor. So you take these 3 screws here, and then you have 3 more, and then we're gonna see the motor. So now I couldn't take this out, so I've leave it. I just release the motor so it can spin freely, and I connected it, and then I try it. And as you can see, this fix was easy because the blades are stuck because of the rust, and I've turned the blades and now it's working. So now I have to put like 110 screws to put all this together and hope that it will work, because motor now
power off.
It's working fine.
Auto mode. Power off.
So let's go and take all this together. For you it's gonna be like this, for me it's gonna be like 20 minutes. So I've put everything back together except the water tank, and now I pour a little water, as you can see here. So we're gonna see if the suction works. So I'm gonna turn it on.
Auto mode.
I'm gonna go auto mode.
Main water tank empty. Please refill water and clean the solution. Main water tank empty. Please refill water and clean the solution. Shutting down. Power off.
Now as you can see, it works very well, and you can hear the suction motor that it is also turning. So let's try with water tank. Okay,
Auto mode.
I'm gonna go auto mode.
Main water tank empty. Please refill water and clean the solution.
And now it works like it should, and if we're gonna go full speed, and now you can hear that the motor is working just fine.
Shutting down. Power off.
So, thanks for watching. This was Tineco. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next videos as we see dark out. Bye.